It matters how this ends. What if I never loved? I believe my heart at the door. Like we're not scared of what's coming next. I'm scared of having nothing left to do. Don't get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is this is my last night with you. Hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Give me a memory I can use. 'Cause what if I never love again? Let this be our last time in love. Let this be the way we remember. I don't wanna be I'm asking for forgiveness. All I ask, this is my last night with you. You better hold me like I'm more than just a friend. Give me a memory I can use. Take me by the hand while we do what lovers do. It matters how this ends. What if I never loved
Wow! Mukhang binasag niyo na yung mga salamin dito. Wow! Coach Julie, mukhang wala ka na sa upuan mo.
Alam mo, itong coach yun ano eh. Grabe kayo, P3 ah. Na inaano nyo kaming lahat eh, no? Grabe kayo eh. Grabe, all I ask, ituloy nyo lang yan. Galing.
Coach Tel,
Itong performance nyo, yung pinaka masasabi kong the best performance nyo dito sa The Voice. Kita na sobrang aware kayo sa ginagawa ng other members para lang masuportahan nyo bawat isa. And that is the number one thing when performing na kailangan is how will you support your teammates and give a best show para sa isang competition na ganito. Magpatuloy kayo, mabuhay kayo hanggat sa gusto nyo.
Coach Chito, binigay no?
Sobrang saya ko na part kayo ng competition ito because you give this competition the credibility na we really have the best of the best. Grabe.
At syempre, ang inyong super proud Coach Billy.
For your performance, consistency eh. And you guys always surprise me. Kaya pagdating ko, halos wala na ako masyadong gagawin sa inyo because you know what you want and how to do it. 3 of you have the power to make it or to lose it all. Ang tandaan nyo lang ay gabayan kayo ng Panginoon, and after nito, kung saan kayo mapapadpad, stay humble. That's all. Katulad sinabi ni Steph. God bless. Congrats. Good job.